Finally, out of the forest, back to the village. We are moving, heading back to Colombo, home. That's our toddy in that gallon. Oh, look at that. He's got some scars and some leeches. We experienced heavy attack from leeches. It is leeches around in the jungle. So in Sri Lanka, anybody can experience that one. It's a wonderful experience in Sri Lanka. Those leeches will suck your blood. Honestly, you can donate your blood free of charge. Oh God. Oh, so tired. Your legs are paining when you finish this journey. That's the place we went, that big mountain. On top of the mountain we had that wadi. It was very beautiful place, and we are coming back here very soon. All right, goodbye to the nature. Goodbye to the nature.